Welcome to the July 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, take a look at how J. Brown Excavation evolved from lawn services to mastering septic system installations. Check out their unique solutions for tricky terrain, their impressive fleet, and how they keep jobs on schedule with an old-school pumper truck. Check out how a Missouri contractor tackled the challenge of installing septic systems on rocky terrain using innovative drilling techniques. Plus, read how a new Louisiana law could change the game for septic inspections. Find out how a Wisconsin contractor solved the challenge of upgrading a failing septic system for an expanding animal shelter. With innovative design and careful planning, they tackled high-strength waste and increased capacity. Take a look at how one contractor tackled the tricky wastewater challenges at a substance abuse treatment facility. From managing high-strength waste to accommodating unpredictable flow rates, see how innovative design and clever solutions kept the system running smoothly. In this case study, see how Romtech Utilities solved a critical wastewater challenge by interlocking two pump stations. Read on to learn how they ensured seamless operation and prevented sewage mishaps. Here's a sneak peek into the life of David Austin, a seasoned consultant in Delaware's wastewater industry. From navigating challenging installs to wild customer encounters, his stories are as gritty as they come. Get ready for some industry wisdom and a dose of humor. Finally, get the scoop on the latest in alarm systems and control panels for wastewater solutions. From apps for remote monitoring to pump performance boosters, discover tech to simplify your work. Badass mats are revolutionizing job sites for septic system installers. These lightweight, durable ground protection mats make moving heavy equipment a breeze without tearing up the terrain. Perfect for those tough jobs. Got a tricky installation that would make for a good story? Let us know at editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.